Welcome to the Maha Kumbh Mela 2025, a spiritual phenomenon unlike any other. Held every 12 years, this grand gathering is a tapestry of faith, unity, and the timeless quest for salvation. Set against the sacred backdrop of India's revered rivers, millions gather to immerse themselves in holy waters, seeking spiritual cleansing and divine blessings. Rooted in the rich tapestry of Hindu mythology, the Kumbh Mela is more than a festival. It is a journey of devotion and self-discovery. The origins of this grand event trace back to the legendary Samudra Manthan, the churning of the ocean by gods and demons in search of the nectar of immortality. It is said that drops of this nectar fell on 4 earthly locations: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nashik, making them eternally sacred. As we explore the spiritual significance of the Kumbh Mela, we discover that taking a dip in these sacred rivers is believed to wash away sins and help achieve moksha, or liberation. The festival is meticulously timed based on astrological alignments, drawing millions from around the globe, devotees, saints, monks, and curious visitors alike. The Maha Kumbh Mela is a spectacle of spiritual activities. The Shahi Snan, or royal bath, is a highlight where revered saints and monastic orders lead processions into the river. Religious discourses offer profound insights into Hindu philosophy, while yajnas, sacred fire rituals, invoke divine blessings through the chanting of Vedic mantras. Each location of the Kumbh Mela holds its own unique historical and spiritual significance. Prayagraj, at the confluence of the Ganges, Yamuna, and mythical Saraswati rivers, has been a center of learning and culture for centuries. Haridwar serves as a gateway to the Himalayas and is famed for its evening Ganga Aarti, a mesmerizing display of devotion. Ujjain is celebrated for its connection to Lord Shiva and the Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga. Meanwhile, Nashik's ties to the epic Ramayana add layers of mythological depth. But the Kumbh Mela is not just about rituals, it is a celebration of cultural diversity. The vibrant atmosphere is enriched by traditional music, dance, and art, offering an immersive experience into India's spiritual heritage. As you prepare for this transformative journey in 2025, consider deepening your spiritual path. Engage in meditation sessions and yoga workshops offered by spiritual leaders. Volunteering during the festival can be an enriching way to connect with others while contributing to this monumental event. Join us at the Maha Kumbh Mela 2025, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to explore spirituality and unity on a grand scale. Step into this world's largest spiritual gathering and let it guide you towards a path of enlightenment and inner peace.